Okay, today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new fabric shaver. Now, yes, I could have gotten one a hell of a lot cheaper, and this was about $20 during Black Friday, and I didn't ask for a discount, so impulse buys. Yes, I could have gotten one a lot cheaper. They do sell them at the local supermarket, but I'm honestly tired of buying cheap, shitty crap and want to buy something proper. As I understand, Philips is one of those things. So, the Netherlands, which I should really look up where this company is. Now, my curiosity is that not familiar with what this language is, but this box seems to be multicultural, which is useful. Anyway, with that, let's take a look inside. Ooh. So I will say this, I like the idea of tissue paper like with that made in China. There's a surprise. Like the, ooh, it's got a little, honestly, I could use that with having a bit more of a snap to it, but oh well. So 2 AA's, which is what I was expecting. That shouldn't be that difficult to understand. 3 watts. Now, if I could do Mr. Math, I could tell you how many 0 amps is that. So that I wasn't expecting, but ooh, a little clean brush, which you'd expect to need. Wow. I'm guessing that in there is going to be a little switch to turn it on and off. And Mr. Blades looks sharp. So it's nice that can come off. They include the manual and the warranty information in a plastic bag. Different. You know, honestly, I think I'd be better off with... That's removable. I wonder how difficult it is to replace it. Meaning not... I wonder how difficult... How you go about... Can you actually buy replacement blades for this thing? Damn. No, if you can, great. Two AA's, non-rechargeable batteries are not rechargeable. Oh, I hate stupid people. Different types of batteries new or used are not to be mixed. Batteries inserted must be correct polarity. Exhausted batteries are to be removed and replaced and safely disposed of. That's a place called Battery World in Tasmania for the most part. There are other places, but meh. If the appliance is stored or unused for a long period of time, battery should be removed. Well, duh. Although I need to do that with a few other things. Power supply terminals is not short-circuited. Keep the appliance dry. Not for you. Well, I don't have to worry about children for the most part. Do not use appliance if shows visible damage or if the blade unit or blade guard is broken. Yeah, I would want to say something about that, but one of my supervisors in the last couple of years, let's just say they had the opportunity to kill themselves with mains voltage. Alright, so I got a quick demo of how this is used at work. While I was working, I was noticing a supervisor having a go at someone's shirt with one of these, and well, not this particular one, but this particular item. Another type of fabric shaver. Anyway, I got something very special to try this on. I have pajama top. Now this particular pajama top is very special because I made it myself. As for how I made it, well, it's just a copy of a pair of pajamas that I really liked. Well, kind of. I left out things that I didn't really like or felt was absolutely necessary. But I'm not intending to turn around and sell these and make them for a profit. I did, however, well, the pajamas were ruined, so I was able to steal the buttons off and use them in this. And my sewing machine isn't very good at doing buttonholes, which is something I'm pissed at. Envelope. Okie dokie. So let's do this area over here. Alright, so this being like the only one of these I've used. Yeah, it does look better. It does even feel better. And yes, I can feel things through these gloves. Yeah, there's a difference. Well, it didn't look like it was doing much initially, but this looks like it'd be more one of those labor of love things than a casual sort of a and done, because this does take a fair bit to wow. Alright, so let's just see what that's done with that flannelette. Safety, so I don't accidentally slice my hand open. Yeesh. Okay, so yeah, it basically does it as is described. Although the work for this is going to take a very long time. Yeah, anyway. That was the unboxing, first impression and trial of Philips fabric shaver. Anyway, yibbity yibbita.